Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a product category page in WooCommerce. Now before we start, I have to notify you that in order to start a new website, WooCommerce website store, you're gonna have to pay for a WordPress subscription that costs like $40. Now as you can see, I didn't pay for this subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow the instructions I'm gonna give you, you're gonna be able to do the task and create a product category page in WooCommerce. Now let's begin by following these few steps together. The first step is to add a category. Now to do so, just go to wordpress.com, and after the website appears, enter your account credentials, or in case you don't have an account, just create a new one. It's easier, and you can even link it to your Google account. Now, once you log in, you're going to be directed to your account's dashboard. Now from here, go to WooCommerce in the left sidebar here. And like I said before, if you have a subscription, you're gonna be able to start a new store. Now, once you start a new store and follow the prompts and start it successfully, go to products and then go to categories, and add categories, new categories like clothing or accessories. Now for the second step is to assign products to the category. Edit the products and assign it to the new category in the products editor. You can easily do that. After that, you have to go to the third step, which is to display the category page. And for that, use the WooCommerce widget or a short code like producer category. I'm gonna write this code right here so you can see it. Products category equals clothing, or the name of the category you want to add the products in, and shut down the parentheses. And this code, just copy it in the code editor to showcase the category on a page. And that's it. If you follow all these instructions, you're gonna be able to create a product page in WooCommerce. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.